Well, hello, everyone. It's your girl, Tanisha, and I am in my home bar, toasting K-Cups. And I'm coming to you today because I've been seeing a lot of people saying, I'm trying to make a Frappuccino, and it's not slushing right, it's not coming out right. We're referring to the Ninja Slushi, right? And so I figured I'd come on and make a tutorial on how I make my Frappuccino, which is world-renowned, according to my friends and family. So I'm going to share it with you so you will have a perfect Frappuccino each and every time. Now, the key to making a good Frappuccino is you need to freshly brew your coffee. See, some of y'all trying to make these Frappuccino and you're trying to buy the store-bought stuff, and I see people with Starbucks bottles, and don't do that, okay? You need to freshly brew your coffee if you want to have a good Frappuccino. Now, the coffee that I use, Cafe Bustelo, but it has to be the espresso style. So you're looking for the yellow and red. It has to be the espresso style, because with the Frappuccino, it's all frosty, right? It's almost like a milkshake. And so you need a strong enough coffee for the flavor to come through. So it needs to be Cafe Bustelo espresso style. So I take 4 of my K-Cups and I brew 12 ounces. So you need 48 ounces of freshly brewed espresso style coffee. All right. Then you're going to use 16 ounces of creamer, 16 ounces of International Delight. This is the best brand. If you're going to make a Frappuccino, you have to use quality ingredients if you want it to taste good. Listen, Coffee Mate, garbage. All those other creamers, garbage. It's my opinion. I can say what I want to say. This one right here, the best. Now, I like the sweet and creamy. You can use the International Delight. They make a caramel macchiato. They make a French vanilla. They have that too. But the reason why I like using sweet and creamy, because it's a neutral flavor. And now, if you're like me and you have a ton of the Tirani syrups, for example, Irish cream, I have amaretto, I have chocolate Milano, I have toasted marshmallow, coffee liqueur, hazelnut. If you're like me and you have all these different Tirani syrups, then now when people make their Frappuccino, you can add a couple of pumps of the flavored Tirani syrup. So again, you're gonna brew 48 ounces of coffee. If you're using the K-Cups, just use 4 and you brew them each 12 ounces. 12 ounces each for 4 of these, or if you're making a pot or whatever, just brew 48 ounces of your freshly brewed coffee. And then only International Delight. Only International Delight. This is the best coffee creamer on the market. I don't buy nothing else but International Delight. Listen, I will make sure I have enough creamer before I make sure I have enough toilet paper. Like when there's a storm coming and everybody's like going to the store and they're buying up all the toilet paper and water, your girl is buying creamer. I cannot run out of my creamer. Right? So then you're going to put it all in a container, mix it up, right? Mix it up before you pour it into your Ninja Slushi machine. Don't pour it directly into the Ninja Slushi each time. You got to pre-mix it first, because you'll start to get a lot of beeping and lights and stuff if you just pour the ingredients one by one in here. Trust me, I've tried it, I've done it. It's a headache. So make your ingredients, put it in another vessel, shake it up, mix it all together, then pour it into your Ninja Slushi machine. Then you're gonna put it on the frappe mode, which is a level 2 coldness, and you just let it go, and it will come out perfect every time. Let me show you guys. I'm gonna bring you a little bit closer so you can see how delicious that looks. See that? It's perfect. Frappe mode, which is a level 2 coldness. All right. And so that is how you make my world famous Frappuccino. My family loves it. My friends, they love it. They're always asking me to, did you make any Frappuccino? My neighbors, they love it. They always want to come over and get it. But I'm telling you, if you do it this way, it'll come out perfect every single time. So enjoy your slushie. This is your girl Tanisha, and remember to always tip your barista and your bartender. Bye. Got that Frappuccino going. Frapping. Number 2. She's happy. All right, it is ready. Let's do that pour. And I got mine ready with. And then we have our quality Ghirardelli sea salt caramel. Got my dome lid. Glass straw. And there you have it. The perfect Frappuccino made at Toast and K Cups. This one's from my mommy, so you'll have to get your own. Bye.